Kids TV. Hello friends, today we learn about letter X. Before that, let's review. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X for xylophone, X, Y, L, O, P, H, O, N, xylophone. X for Xmas tree, X, M, A, S, S, T, R, E, E, Xmas tree. X for X-ray, X, R, A, Y, X-ray. Bye bye. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.